guys, and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video I'm going to show you two of our expressions related to the economy. So we have two expressions we use when it comes to the economy, especially in this region we are speaking from, which are the first one, which is of course in English first. It is the economic collapse. We will see what does that mean. Economic collapse means, first let's speak about the economic, and then we will speak about collapse, and then we will speak about how to combine both of them together. So economic means اقتصادي, and both of the standard and spoken we say اقتصادي in both of them. So اقتصادي. When you say economy means اقتصاد. When you want to make it as an adjective, then you are going to say اقتصادي. And of course, if you wanted to make it the feminine version of the adjective, you have to say اقتصادية or اقتصادية in the standard Arabic. So let's see how to make it right now with a collapse. Let's see if collapse is masculine or feminine word, and then we will combine them together. Collapse, it means انهيار. When it comes to the standard Arabic, the first most of the people will pronounce it, but prefer to not pronounce it, so we will say انهيار. So انهيار or انهيار. So let's just use the simple one, which is انهيار. So now this is انهيار, which is the collapse, and اقتصادي means economic. How to make it together? In Arabic, we will first say the noun, which is here an infinitive. It is the noun, which is انهيار, and then we will describe it. We will describe the noun. So in Arabic, first the noun, and then we will describe it by its adjective. So the adjective will describe it last thing. So the first thing is going to be انهيار, and then we will say اقتصادي. انهيار اقتصادي. So this means an economic collapse. This is what it means, economic collapse. The second sentence for today is going to be the economic inflation. So economic, again, it's اقتصادي. And inflation, it means تضخم. تضخم means the inflation. And of course it means something else. We will speak about it in a minute. So inflation, again, it's تضخم, and again you will start by the noun, which is تضخم, which is here also, it's infinitive. So we will start by the noun, and then we will describe it by its adjective. So you will say تضخم اقتصادي, and this means an economic inflation. We'll speak a little bit more about the first one, which is انهيار اقتصادي. انهيار, it means collapse, and it is infinitive. We can get a verb out of it and see what does it mean and how to use it. We can use it more than it's like collapsing or something, or collapsed or collapsing or whatever. So we will see how it goes. So the verb in the past tense, like he or it, if the it was masculine, we would say انهار, like هو انهار, or هو انهار. So نهار, okay, نهار in spoken Arabic, or انهار. So let's see for the spoken Arabic right now. We will focus on the spoken Arabic right now. We will say, for example, انهارت البناية means بناية, it's the building, so the building just collapsed. So انهارت البناية. Sometimes you can say انهار, يعني هو انهار من البكي. Biki is crying. So انهار من البكي. So he actually collapsed out of crying. So he cried so much, fell apart out of crying. So this is what it means, انهار. هو انهار من البكي. البكي is crying. Next one, that for example, انهار يعني هو انهار من التعب. التعب is tiredness. So he is actually collapsing. He fell apart out of tiredness. So he's like really exhausted. So this is the word, like the verb out of inhiyar. So inhiyar is the infinitive, which is the collapse, and nhar, like he fell apart or he collapsed, or it collapsed if it was masculine. So this is it for this verb. Let's see the next one, which is the inflation. Inflation, it was tadakhum. We can use tadakhum for inflation, and we can use it for swell. For a swell nose, for example, swell throat, etc. So the swell is also tadakhum. So these are the two expressions we had today, and not just like the expressions in the economy. We had them how to make these words. So I will just give you the last example in this case with the first one, which is the nhar. You can also say in Fusha or the standard Arabic, we will say for inhiyar, as I told you, inhiyar, the infinitives are the same. Inhiyar is the same in standard, and also tadakhum is also the same, and iqtisadi is also the same in standard. But let's see how to make the verbs. So again, it's also the same. So we will say huwa nhara, and then huwa tadakhama. These are the two verbs. We have them from these. So for example, in the standard Arabic, you may say huwa nhara min at-ta'ab. It's also the same as in spoken Arabic. So we will say huwa nhara min at-ta'ab, huwa nhara min al-buka. Buka is crying. huwa nhara min al-buka. We can also say nhara alamuhu. Like his world has fallen apart. So nhara alamuhu. Alam is the world. So nhara alamuhu is like his world has fallen apart. So this is what it means also in standard. So this is all about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, especially those who are learning the Levantine and the standard Arabic together, who likes to know more about the Arabic language. And also, if you have any questions, recommendations, suggestions, please also comment below, and do not forget to tell me in the comments if you like them or don't like them. If you have any other suggestions for any new video, please tell me, because I'm taking my notes and I am making some videos for you. It may take a little bit of time, but of course I will post it really soon. So hope you are safe and really far from the coronavirus, hopefully. So I will see you in next video. Bye bye.